So welcome students. So in this question you're given that integration of sin x by sin x minus alpha is equal to ax plus b log sin x minus alpha plus c. You're asked to find the values of these coefficients. So again, it's very straightforward integration. So integration of sin x can be written as sin of x minus alpha plus alpha, right? Minus alpha and plus alpha gets cancelled. So it's again same as sin x by sin of x minus alpha dx. So what is the advantage that you get by writing this? So now what I can do is I can expand the numerator using the formula sin of a plus b. Sin a plus b is sin of a cos of b plus cos of a into sin of b by sin x minus alpha. So you have by sin x minus alpha correspond to the first term as well as the second term dx. Now in the first term, as you can see, these two are getting cancelled. So that is equal to cos alpha dx. Cos alpha dx. Cos alpha is a constant. So the integration becomes cos alpha times x. Plus in the second term, sin alpha is a constant. And you have cot of x minus alpha. Integration of cot x is log sin x. So integration of cot x minus alpha is log of sin of x minus alpha plus c. So this is the integration of this function. So if you compare this, so what is in the place of a? What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is a. So a is equal to cos alpha, b is equal to sin alpha. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you.